So apologies in advance that this is not going to be a high quality video. I'm filthy because I've done a full day's work. It's 6 o'clock in the evening. Something happened today which has meant that I've got to do this video right now, but we'll get into that. So in the last video, I sold my Nürburgring car and I told you I had some exciting news and that I'd bought something really cool. Well, here it is. And at first glance, it's another blue TT. What's so special about it? Well, what is special is paintwork. That is awful. That's just like, I can't even, yeah, I think someone started to sand it. I don't know. Bumper is awful. We've just got marks all over it. We've got bits of missing lacquer. The bumper on the rear has got similar. Ooh, I had a tidy up, but clearly not enough of a tidy up. So the bonnet has got a similar issue to what the last one had, where it's got like a crease and scuffs and stuff. And then this door has got really bad dents there. Yeah. So yeah, I mean, it's battered. Why did I buy it? Well, the answer lies in here. Now, there's not a big fancy turbo or anything like that, but what there is a forged engine. I say forged engine, it's got forged rods in it and it's been fully rebuilt, which for what I intend to do, that's plenty. Okay, so I bought it for all right money, and it came with a V6 front bumper, which is already sold, and it came with some seats, which I don't need, so I'm hoping that they will sell. And that's these Sparkos here. And so I sold the bumper, sold a couple of other little bits, had that other car in for break-in, and I quickly reinvested that money straight away into parts for this car. These came up dirt cheap, injectors, and then I happened to get these top mounts, and then someone was like, oh well, I've got a turbo, so I've got a hybrid 418T turbo, and then I spotted these FK coilovers with adjustable damping, which I've never seen on FKs before, so I thought, sod it, I'll give it a go. And then I thought, well, I want to put these seats back in. You might notice that on top of those seats is a wing, and then sat on those seats as well as a harness. But a harness needs something to attach to, which is why we've also got a roll cage. Half cage, not full cage, just a half cage. So yeah, I'm gonna go all out on this one. So the plan is, stick all those good bits on this, take my time over winter. I've got space in the unit now. A couple of cars are due to be going very soon, so I'll have space to just have it sat there, take my time and do things properly. Modify it bit by bit, see what I like, see what I don't like. You know, those coilovers, for example, if they're no good, I just buy some different ones. I need to do poly bushes and all that good stuff. But the reason I've got to do this video tonight is because I don't want to do tomorrow's video without having done this one first. And tomorrow's video only got planned about 3 hours ago, when Tom from the Motor Monkeys rang me up and said, Bryn, I've got a bit of a problem. Been to Badger 5 and they're telling me my turbo's knackered, my engine's knackered. So we've got this track day booked, but we can't go. So, well, how about we take my car and they jump in with me, they get to do some laps, I get to do some laps, and just see if this is any good in its stock-ish stock form. Yeah, a little bit of skip as it comes across there, wasn't it?
It's just a bit of a slide, it's just a bit slippy. Picks up really well.
Yeah, it's a Badger mat.
Yeah, it's really smooth that. We've never been able to experience a Badger mat properly. Our things always been broken, do you know what I mean?
Yeah. That was a fun first little session. But how did the car feel to you?
Good, yeah, good.
Now it has got front mount intercooler on there. It's got HP 2000 brake pads in there. Few little engine trinkets. It's been remapped. I've got a printout from Badger 5 for 270 horsepower, 280 80 foot-pound, something like that. We're going to steal their wheels because they've got some fresh tyres on. Because these ones, what are these? Some Sport Max things. I have no idea if they're any good, but anyway. So yeah, we're going to sling it round, but I've got 4 hours tonight. So I figured, what can I do? Well, I can put my seats in. That's a no-brainer. I can rip a load of the interior out. That's a no-brainer. I can also fit the coilovers. Why not? So yeah, that's the plan. Get the coilovers on there, drive down to Castle Cube in the morning and have fun with it. So yeah, I'm not going to show you any of that because it's just fitting coilovers. Yeah, I've got a suspension how-to guide. So I'm going to rush that through tonight, but I just wanted you to see this car in its starting form before I go crazy. Oh, there's one other thing that I might fit tonight. There's a steering wheel. Oh look, here's the Badger 5 printout. There we go. And here is the list of the parts for the engine build. Yeah, I mean, I've not had the sump off yet to confirm that it is forged, and I will be doing that at some point. Not tonight. So anyway, yeah, this video's been thrown together, and apologies for that, but I just wanted you to see this in its start form before I start doing the modifications, so that this all makes sense if you follow the channel chronologically. If you don't follow the channel chronologically, then I suggest you hit subscribe and you can be notified of all the new videos. Make sure you hit the bell, because otherwise, you know, I get lost in the algorithm. And yeah, keep a track on what's going on with this build. Anyway, until next time, I'll see you later. Cheers, guys.